Welcome. This is Jamb, your 2016 government pass question. Question number 9 says a good example of a country which operated a cabinet system of government is that. A good example of a country which operates a cabinet system of government is dash A. France, B. United Kingdom, C. United States, D. Soviet Union. And what we talk of cabinet system is the same as parliamentary system. And remember that in Britain, which is because United Kingdom means Britain, what they are operate is parliament, so they operate parliamentary system. So and that is why it is a good example. But France operates what we call presidential system. Presidential system. The United Kingdom operates presidential system. Presidential system. Then this one operated monarchy, and so option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.